So next is electrophilic substitution reaction. Haloarenes will undergo this electrophilic substitution reaction only. Because if you take this benzene ring, it is electron rich benzene ring. So it will easily get attacked by means of this incoming electrophile. Okay, so it will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. So the common electrophilic substitution reactions are halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So we'll see one by one. First, before going to that electrophilic substitution reaction, first we will see few points about this electrophilic substitution reaction. So if you take benzene ring, the positions, you know about the positions in the benzene ring. Ortho position, meta position, ortho position, meta position, para position. Ortho position, meta position, para position. Okay. So whatever the incoming group, it will get attached either to ortho position, meta position and para position. So there are some groups that is called as directive influence groups. Okay, so there are some groups which will direct the incoming groups either to ortho position, meta position and para position. Okay, so that is what directive influence group. So already you know about this directive influence group. Okay, if you take electrophilic substitution reaction, this will take place in ortho and para position. Okay, in haloarenes, the electrophilic substitution in haloarenes, it will take place in ortho and para position. Okay, why? What is the reason for that? So the reason is, the important reason is, the halogen atom which is present on benzene ring in haloarenes is an ortho and para directing group. Okay, this halogen atom which is present in the benzene ring is an ortho and para directing group. So whatever group, the incoming group to this haloarenes, what this halogen will do, it will direct that incoming group to ortho position and para position. Okay, so why it will direct to ortho and para position? Because when you are writing that resonance structure, you can see the high electron density. So when you are writing the resonance structure of this haloarenes, you can see the high electron density. You can see high electron density at ortho and para position. Okay, you can see this at ortho and para position, and but not at meta position. So due to this resonance only, this ortho and para position in haloarenes have high electron density comparing to that meta position. So because of this reason only, this electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the incoming electrophile, it will attack the ortho and para position instead of meta position, and substitution also takes place at ortho and para position only. And another one important point is this para product only will be dominating more. Okay, the major product will be your para product than this ortho product. So what is the reason for this? See, if you take this ortho product, it will be near to that halogen. So what will be there? Steric hindrance. Steric hindrance will be there at ortho position. Okay, but the para position, it is the space will be there. So the steric hindrance will be less at para position. So this is what the reason why you are getting, why this para product is dominating more than this ortho product. Okay. So these are the important points which you have to keep it in your mind. So in electrophilic substitution reaction, I'll summarize the points. In electrophilic substitution reaction, the benzene ring is electron rich benzene ring. Okay, and This electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes, it takes place in ortho and para position. This is what your second point. And what is the reason for that? Because the halogen atom which is present in the benzene ring is ortho and para directing group. Okay, and why the halogen atom, it will direct the incoming group to this ortho and para position? Because during that in that resonance structure you can see the electron density at ortho and para position. Okay, and another important point is para product only will be the dominating one. Why para product is the dominating one? The reason is steric hindrance. Ortho product means there will be a steric hindrance, but para product, it won't have that much steric hindrance. Okay, so this para product only is dominating more than the ortho product. And this another one, the electrophilic, this, if you take this electrophilic substitution reaction, it will be it occur very slowly only. Okay, why? What is the reason for this? Due to minus inductive effect. Okay, minus inductive effect. So what do you mean by that minus inductive effect? See, the halogen atom which is present in the benzene ring, it will take the electrons towards itself. Okay, it will withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring. So if it is taking the electrons from this benzene ring, means after if it is taking the electrons from the benzene ring, means it will get deactivated. Okay, so this benzene ring, it will withdraw electrons from the benzene ring and deactivates the benzene ring. Okay, so this electrophilic substitution reaction, it will occurs slowly. And what is the reason for that? Due to minus inductive effect. Minus inductive effect means the halogen which is present in the benzene ring, it will withdraw the electrons and it will deactivate the benzene ring. In next video, we will see the common electrophilic substitution reaction.